Get it. Get it, Biggins. Get it. Oh, get it. Get it, Biggins. Get it. Go on. Get your toy. Get it. Biggins, go get your toy. What's wrong with you? Come on, go get it. Sorry, guys, about that. By the tree. Don't worry about that jacked up chair. That's the catch chair. He's going by the tree now. Shh! Biggins! Get away from the tree! Shh! Get away from there. How dare you? Here. He has his Christmas toy, guys. It's a little Christmas mouse. Let's see what he does. Here. So sweet, huh? Biggins, say hi. Say hi. Biggins. Say hi. Hi, baby. Here, look. Here's your toy. Here. Oh, wow. Biggins. He loves that toy. He has some other toys too, guys. That's a little stocking, you guys. Some toys in it. Look at him. He just wants to play. He made a huge mess, guys. We're doing some Xmas wrapping. He's my little helper today, but he made a lot of mess on the floor, so please excuse it. Here, get your ball. Go on. Get it. Play with it. You don't like those? Huh? You don't like those, baby? You don't like this? I think he likes this one the best. You like that one the best? Hmm? Or do you like this one? You like that one? Come on, Biggins. Look, that's so cute. He has the mouse in his mouth and he's carrying it. How cute. He's so fat. Look at him, guys. Just a fatty. That chair, we've had it for years. And as you could see, he's bitten on it. Like a little dog. He's bitten on it. So we just kept it because he likes to lay on it. He loves laying on that. On that chair. He loves that mouse. Look at him. Biggin just wanted to share his toys with you that he has. We got him a lot of stuff for Christmas, but for now he has these stuff that he wanted to show you guys, his new toys. So yeah, Merry Christmas from me, Monchis and Biggins, and our family. And we'll be having more videos to come. Thank you guys for joining us. God bless you.